Viable farming requires thinking and acting economically, boosting efficiencies, cutting costs, utilizing machines all year round. These are the aims the Krone ZX dual-purpose wagons were designed for. The Krone ZX is a truly versatile machine that performs dependably in a wide range of applications. Specified with a pickup and rotor cutter, the ZX is a full-fledged, high-capacity forage wagon that chops the crop as it harvests it. ZX is also a full-value trailer with an enormous load area that provides for excellent filling. Specified with discharge rollers, ZX performs as a silage trailer with perfect clamping abilities. On the other hand, if the discharge rollers are replaced by a tailgate, ZX will deliver shortest unloading cycles that boost the efficiency of the harvest chain. The ZX forage wagons are true dual-purpose machines that offer capacities from 43 cubic meters to 56 cubic meters. Versatile, efficient, high capacity. Krone ZX, the better way of harvesting. ZX is a full-fledged and high-performance self-loading forage wagon with a cutting system. At the core of a clean pickup of material is the camless Easy Flow system by Krone. The hydraulic and maintenance-free drive system is integrated inside the pickup. This special design does without any chains and makes for wide widths and a stepless adjustment of the pickup speed. Easy Flow picks up the stems effectively, allowing a maximum intake capacity at optimum work rates. Easy Flow works at a width of 2,125 millimeters and uses 6 rows of tines spaced 55 millimeters and arranged in a wavy pattern. Easy Flow impresses by an ingeniously simple design. The wave-like arrangement of the double tines leads to a very uniform crop flow. Easy Flow does without a cam track control that would be subject to wear and tear. Substantially fewer moving parts result in an extremely quiet running. ZX wagons can go faster and deliver higher throughputs. The crop press roller promotes the continuous flow of crop into the machine at maximum pickup capacity. Easy Flow is pivoting and has side-mounted gauge wheels, a combination that makes it follow every curve and contour. ZX picks up every stem without disturbing the ground. Krone ZX features the world's most powerful rotor drive system. Modern tractors offer high engine and PTO powers. The cut and feed rotor is powered by a 6-groove poly V-belt, which takes full advantage of ZX potential. The overload protection clutch inside the main drive shaft protects from overloads of up to 2,800 Newton meters and provides for a PTO power flow of up to 400 horsepower. Relying on a 6-groove power belt and an underdrive planetary unit, the design frees valuable space which is used for accommodating a wider rotor. Measuring a 1,910mm work width and an 880mm diameter, the ZX feed rotor is extremely powerful. Tines arranged in 8 helical rows pull the material constantly through the blades. The tines feature extra-wide Hardox steel plates, These provide for a gentle crop treatment, enhancement quality of cuts and less input power. Krone ZX, a perfect quality of cut. A versatile machine that serves equally well as self-loading wagon and maize trailer. A machine that does earn its keep. ZX is the specialist for harvesting wilted and chopped crops. The pivoting headboard is a unique feature on the Krone ZX 430, ZX 470 and ZX 560 models. The pivoting wall is designed to boost the load capacity by 4.5 cubic meters. The headboard is in its vertical position when the machine is picking up material. When ZX is nearly filled to capacity, the headboard pivots all the way towards the tractor, thereby increasing the load area by 4.5 cubic meters. When serving as a maize trailer, the forward-tilting headboard increases the overall filling capacity and increases the load on the drawbar, which in turn improves the traction on the tractor wheels. The machine floor is sloping at the front, a design that reduces the passage of crop into the machine. The benefit? The crop is harvested gently, input power is reduced, and the intake rate increases. Equipped with a full steel floor and double chain and slat floor, ZX is geared up to meet every challenge. Each pair of chains is powered by its own hydro motor, hence offering the most effective performance. 4 flat link chains are highly tensile, extremely hard wearing and effective. Efficiency is what counts. The steel tailboard on the ZX GL multi-purpose models opens wide, controlled by double-acting hydraulic rams. The pivoting headboard helps empty the machine thoroughly and fast by pushing the crop wall to the rear end. All headboard functions are customizable, pivot start and frequency as well as intervals. The conical body, the split and high-speed chain and slat floor, and the huge tailboard on Krone ZX GL dual-purpose wagons discharge the crop extremely fast and smoothly. Krone ZX, efficient and fast loading and unloading. The dual-purpose wagon ZX GD and its massive and enclosed discharge rollers discharge the crop layer by layer, forming a uniform mat. The main drive shaft integrates a clutch that protects the rear rotors from overload and ensures fast and smooth unloading cycles. The pivoting headboard leads to thorough emptying and fast unloading. All headboard functions are customizable, pivot start and frequency as well as intervals. The tailboard opens to multiple positions. Opened only slightly, it provides for accurate and controlled unloading as well as uniform spreading. Opened wide, it discharges the crop in massive quantities and at no time at all. Krone ZX. Efficient and fast loading and unloading. Designed for higher outputs, ZX is the ideal machine for contractors and machinery rings. The hydraulic pickup and the massive rotor cutter makes ZX a veritable high-performance forage wagon with a cut-and-feed rotor. Easy and rapid blade changeovers are key in producing a consistently high quality. All blades are changed without tools and to the side of the machine after you swing out the cutter bar. As a first step, lower the entire cutter bar hydraulically. The operator sets the blades to 0 position, which unlocks them. Then the operator pulls a lever to unlock the cutter bar and swings it out to the side. The blades are easy to remove now. All blades are identical and can be swapped between them. Each blade is individually protected from impact damage. All knife-changing operations are carried out from the left side of the machine, including lowering the cutter bar and swinging it out to the left machine side. This innovative system offers maximum comfort for ZX operators. Using all 48 blades, the machine produces theoretical lengths of 37 mm. This ticks every box. At the core of effortless and clean cuts are sharp blades. The easier it is for operators to sharpen them, the sooner and more often will they actually do it. For this reason, Krone developed the automatic blade sharpening system, Speed Sharp, which is provided as an option. Speed Sharp and the complete cutting system swing out to the side for sharpening the blades. The operator moves the Speed Sharp rotor, which carries 24 flap discs, into position and connects 2 hydraulic hoses that supply the drive system. Speed Sharp is started upon the press of a button. From that moment, the entire grinding cycle for all 48 blades is carried out fully automatically. You can select up to 10 cycles. Each grinding disc is held against the respective blade by a separate bevel spring. A design that achieves an individual and consistent grind of all blades whilst grinding off an optimal layer. Speed Sharp also warrants a uniform sharpness, although the degree of wear may differ among the individual blades. The 24 flap discs grind the blades so these deliver optimum cuts and maximum longevity. Providing a so-called cold grind, they prevent the blades from annealing. Sharpening is carried out while the cutting system is parked alongside the machine, where operators can carry out visual inspections and clean the cutter bar in a time-efficient manner. It only takes 2 passes to grind all 48 blades. The grinding cycle is a quick job, including swinging the blade cassette out and in. Depending on the number of cycles required, it takes only 4 minutes to sharpen all 48 blades. Krone, technology for the field. Non-stop foraging. ZX offers particularly easy loading. The extra-wide side beams of the frame and closely spaced stanchions provide a sturdy base for the open Combi ZX body. There are no ropes, buckles or tarp that could interfere with the stream of crop pouring down from the forager chute and filling every corner of the machine. When the headboard is in its full forward position and the articulated drawbar is lowered, the wagon offers the forager chute more space to target the crop stream. The design guarantees no crop is lost and the machine is used to capacity, also when travelling behind the harvester. Krone ZX, technology for the field. An excellent level of specification helps reduce operator fatigue and increases the output. All Krone ZX machines can be specified with optional covers. No losses, even when the work rate is high. The covers are conveniently operated from the seat. Working at night is a challenge for everybody in the harvest chain. Two powerful LED light bars inside the load area offer enhanced visibility. Up to 4 LED extra lights on the outside of the machine are a boon for everybody in the harvest chain. Krone ZX 430, ZX 470 and ZX 560 are specified to individual customer requirements. 3 terminals are available: Krone Terminal Delta, Isobus Terminal CCI 200, or the existing Isobus terminal on the tractor. The uncluttered screen displays all relevant information. Exploiting machine capacity to its maximum, the feature that takes care of this is power load. Power load measures the pressure that is applied to the headboard as the load area is being filled. This pressure indicates the current density of the material. When the sensor reading reaches the target density entered by the operator, power load activates the chain and slat floor relative to the current filling level measured on the headboard's folding top section. Heavy-duty axles will be a must if you seek high gross weights and swift travel between field and cloud. The Tridem Axle allows ZX 470 and ZX 560 to push their gross vehicle weight to 31,000 kilograms and maximum speed to 40 kilometers per hour and 60 kilometers per hour. The Tridem Axle is heavy-duty and features hydraulic leveling and hydro-pneumatic suspension for comfortable rides. Caster steer wheels are gentle on the sward and the tyres and reduce the strain on the tandem and Tridem running gear. The electro-hydraulic forced steering system brings superior ride stability, quiet running and safety at quick travel. If ZX threatens to drift, the electro-hydraulic forced steering system will allow the operator to counter-steer manually the leading axle and the rear axle within the Tridem assembly. Krone ZX. Technology for the field. A forage wagon operates in varying and challenging conditions every single day. Krone ZX is fully geared to top quality and delivery, the machine of choice for machinery rings and contractors. Krone ZX, the versatile machine, developed and built by the specialist for trailers and forage wagons. Krone, the power of green.